If you are into truly giant machines, hit that subscribe button right from the start, because as we get closer to the end of this list, their sizes will go way beyond your imagination. Opening at number 10 is a silent assassin with a micro-sized form, the NMC Wolverine, a remote-controlled mini-loader with an incredibly bizarre appearance dedicated to narrow spaces. Without showing off massive dimensions, the moneymaker of this tiny monster lies in its ground-hugging armored profile, born to weave into deadly nooks that humans or conventional machines cannot reach. Looking on screen like an armored Mars rover, the Wolverine possesses astonishing hydraulic traction for its size, silently scooping up rocks and clearing dangerous collapsed areas, proving that sometimes tiny uniqueness is the ultimate survival weapon. Moving to number 9, we meet a bizarre mechanical architecture, the vermeer, an underground resource recovery system, with movements like a time machine. This machine is born to scrape the mine floor clean of ore, carrying an elongated conveyor and scraping arm structure, weaving to collect all spillage without the need for trucks. Its moneymaker lies in its extended ground-hugging chassis combined with flexible sweeper arms, sullenly herding hundreds of tons of minerals into an on-site crushing system. Looking on screen like an iron centipede swallowing its prey, the vermeer radically optimizes output, scraping clean every trace of minerals in the darkest spaces. Standing at top 8 is a mobile tower born to chew up the terrain. The takraf tenova mobile crushing plant, a colossal track-mounted mobile crusher. This hundreds of tons machine is a bottomless stomach, opening its giant hopper to directly receive car-sized boulders from excavators, then crushing them into gravel right at the mining front line. Its moneymaker lies in its supersized armored crawler tracks, allowing it to carry the entire crushing system while sullenly crawling over the most rugged mine slopes. Looking on screen like a steel fortress gritting its teeth climbing a pass, advancing to number 7 is a machine with a design from the future. The Epiroc Mobile Miner 55 Vol, a continuous hard rock mining system with a giant cutting wheel. Instead of dangerous drilling and blasting, the moneymaker of this monster is its spiked steel cutting disc spinning continuously, sullenly slicing deep grooves into solid rock walls like a pizza cutter from hell, looking on screen like a sci-fi tank. Officially entering the top 5, welcome the greatest mechanical earthworm in human history, the herrenknecht EPB Shield TBM, a massive full-face tunnel boring machine with a cutter head diameter that can reach up to 19 meters. This sullen monster doesn't gnaw bit by bit. It swallows a whole mountain with its giant rotary head armored with hundreds of ultra-hard alloy disc cutters. Its moneymaker lies in its tens of thousands of tons of hydraulic thrust, simultaneously crushing boulders at the front while automatically assembling the concrete tunnel lining flawlessly right behind its back. Looking on screen like a giant time machine drilling through the Earth's core, herrenknecht's TBM is the pinnacle of the abrasion art, crushing the harshest geological layers to forge flawless transcontinental tunnel vaults. At the top 4 spot, bow down to the nightmare of permafrost ore, the Komatsu 4CM20, a continuous miner possessing the most bizarre and brutal multi-head cutting drum system. Sporting a sullen armored design like a turretless tank, its moneymaker is the series of independently rotating cutting drums lined up horizontally, slamming into the rock face and shredding everything in its path, leaving 0 blind spots. What makes it terrifying is its ability to automatically gather materials right as it tears them apart, turning hard rock into a torrential waterfall of ore pouring out its back. Looking on screen like a demon's giant plane, the 4CM20 tears through terrain at a frantic pace, extinguishing all physical barriers in its way. Entering the top 3 with the bronze medal, astonishment gives way to terror before the trenker T1760, a trenching monster possessing a bizarrely giant rock chainsaw system. Forsaking dozer blades or buckets, This machine carries an oversized chainsaw boom tens of meters long on its back, plunging it into the earth to saw through permafrost rock like cutting a piece of wood. Its moneymaker lies in the 500 horsepower focused entirely on the alloy spike chain, sullenly slitting deep, straight trenches to lay underground pipes across the hardest rocky deserts. Looking on screen like a steel scorpion plunging its tail to devastate the terrain, the Trenker T-1760 redefines pure brutality with its vertical slashes across the Earth's crust. Crossing the finish line as the runner-up is the machine that turns any rugged surface into a runway, the worx 2TZ200 SM, the tyrant of surface miners. Instead of brutal digging, the moneymaker of this monster is the milling drum hidden under its belly, sullenly gliding over and shaving off layers of solid ore as smoothly as a razor. This machine not only shreds the rock face into standard gravel sizes, but instantly feeds them onto a conveyor system, discharging straight into dump trucks, completely eliminating blasting and primary crushing. Looking on screen like a giant 3D printer operating in reverse, the 2200 SM wears down open-pit mines in a silent, clean, and ruthlessly cold-blooded manner. And finally, the absolute crown for the art of terrain shredding can belong to none other than the Vermeer T-1255i terrain leveler, a surface milling machine with the most bizarre shape on the planet. Unlike any vehicle, this monster wears a spiked rotary drum perched prominently right on its back, grinding the most stubborn granite boulders into gravel as it reverses. Its moneymaker is its ability to completely eliminate dangerous blasting operations, automatically shaving to create perfect sloped mine floors with destructive productivity. Looking on screen like an inverted hellish steamroller, the T-1255D roars to crush all rules of erosion, becoming the ultimate god of destruction, erasing the Earth's crust in the smoothest and most brutal way possible. Out of the 10 extreme cutting and terrain shredding machines featured today, which one impressed you the most? And do you want the next video to be about top surface drill rigs, giant bulldozers, or subsea trenching systems? Comment the topic you want to see next, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on videos about the strongest, largest, and most modern machines in the world.